Hey guys, how you doing? This is Ray Cologne, and I just wanted to, I'm sitting here waiting for a client to meet them, to take them to see a few homes here in the Davenport, Windsor Haven area, and I just wanted to, make a little small talk here and talk about November 10th. That is next month, and on November 10th, I'm going to be hosting a home buyer seminar. So if you guys are interested in the market to purchase a home, and this one's going to be located in Davenport, Florida. And I got some ready move-in homes. So in the seminar, I'm going to be just going to go over you guys. I'm going to be talking from beginning to end, basically. I'm going to touch on the entire process. A lot of people, they get scared, and that's what really holds them back. It's the nerves on getting started on the whole process. What do they need? What they have to look forward to when it comes to purchasing a home. So I'm going to be talking about that. Good morning, guys that are joining in right now. Appreciate you guys joining. So we're going to be talking about the whole buying process, obviously from beginning to end, and then we're going to touch on what type of loans are out there. Hello, Jackie. How you doing? We got to meet up, Jackie. We got to sit down, have some coffee, and talk. And we're going to also talk about the financing options. A lot of people don't know what type of financing options they have out there. Obviously, there's FHA, there's conventional loans, but there's so many other financing options that people don't know, and so much down payment assistance, if you qualify for that there is out there, such as USDA loans and veteran loans. You'd be surprised how many people don't know that they're entitled to those benefits. But we're going to talk about that, and we're also going to, people that might have some credit challenges, we're going to discuss how they can overcome those challenges, and we're going to have someone there that's going to sit with them, look at their credit report, give them free advice on what to do. And if they meet that criteria where they can get into a home, they can definitely get them pre-approved right on the spot on November 10th. And those that are, maybe just want some more information, they can definitely be in contact with them and help them out, and later on. And when they're ready, they can just come back to me, and then we'll get them back on the right path. But there's, it's going to be a loan officer there to get everyone pre-qualified. So if you're interested in purchasing a home, just come on down on November 10th between 1 and 3. It's at 2112 Sequoia Way in Davenport, Florida. And we're going to have, again, myself will be there. We're going to talk about credit. We're going to talk about loan options. We're going to get you pre-qualified right on the spot. So there's no ifs, ands, or buts or anything. All you'll just have to do is just provide the loan officer later on with your paperwork, and they'll take it from there. So if you see a home that is something you fall in love with right there that day, you can just go ahead and go into contract, because those homes, you can be in a brand new home before Christmas. Homes are ready, move in. They'll be ready in less than 45 days. The builder is contributing up to $8,000 for these homes. And if you qualify for any of these special programs like down payment assistance, you can definitely get into one of these homes for little to nothing out of pocket. And that's we'll be able to sit down and give you all the numbers and the math and everything to this, so you know exactly what you're getting into. It's not like it's a guesswork, because I know that's what scares a lot of people. They're afraid that they don't know all these numbers coming in. How much is my payment going to be? How much is my interest going to be? Well, the loan officer is there to give you that estimate of what your payment is going to be, of how much your closing costs are going to be, your interest rate approximately, how much it's going to be, and they'll break it down for you. I'll go ahead and talk mostly about the entire process. I like to walk all my clients through from beginning to end, and basically I'm there to help funnel the whole process to you, so it doesn't overwhelm you. So if you guys are interested, and again, or if you have friends and family members, visit my website. It's on my Facebook. It's right at the top. It'll say Home Buyer Seminar, and it's going to be located at 2112 Sequoia Way in Davenport, Florida, Antonio. And that is in the Sorrento community. So actually, if you come through the Ponciano Expressway, you'll see the community on the left-hand side. So share that information with your friends. If you go to my Facebook page, you can hit share button and share it onto your page, so that way if you know someone that's interested or looking to buy a home and they don't have a realtor, just send them my way. I'll treat them like family. I'll take care of them, and I'll make sure that they get the most for their money. And if there's anything at all that they need besides that, we'll take care of them. Also, whoever comes down to the seminar on November 10th, Saturday, between the hours of 1 and 3, registers and gets pre-qualified at closing, they're going to receive a ring alarm system, courtesy of myself. Okay, guys? So I'm going to be providing that to everyone that uses me as a realtor, and at closing, they will be given a free ring alarm system. All right, and yep, I will be going there that day, and I will be hosting it, Antonio, the seminar. So you guys are more than welcome to come down. Bring a friend, bring some family. There's going to be some refreshments and some light drinks served that day. So if you guys have any questions, give me a call at 407-310-0387. That's my direct cell phone number. You can text me there also as well, or visit my website at raycoloneflhomes.com. Facebook is the same thing, Ray Colon FL Homes, and Instagram also. All right, guys. Again, come on down. Don't miss out on the opportunity. Don't hesitate. Don't say, hey, well, I'll do it next year. The interest rates are changing. Financing's getting tighter. So the longer you wait, you're going to price yourself out of this market. First-time home buyers is the hardest group to get approved because they tend to wait too long and don't realize that the prices of homes is not waiting for them. It's going up and up and up and up. So the longer you wait, the more you price yourself out. And once you price yourself out of the market, it's almost impossible to get a brand new home with a 10-year warranty on it for the same price. You're going to have to get a resale home that maybe doesn't have all those type of things. Hey, how you doing, Seema? Miss Sales Agent of the Year over there. I'm loving your timeline, girl. Love that. Happy for you. So, guys, come on down November 10th, again from 1 to 3 on Saturday at 2112 Sequoia Way in Davenport, Florida, for my home buyer seminar. If you have any questions, give me a call at 407-310-0387. Shoot me a text, visit my website or my Facebook page. Reserve your tickets through Eventbrite. The link is on my Facebook page or my website. Okay, guys? Give me a call if you have any questions. Bring a friend. Share the information. Please share it. Support me. And thank you so much. Have a great day.